Бойся.
Говори.
Хазбол,
Давай,
Хазбол.
говори.
Хазбол, подожди. Хазбола.
Говори.
Не.
Джабью.
Не.
Сопляк маленький. Джабью.
Не. Абдурозик.
Баба, пусть дай халат кафа.
Хазбол.
Litecoin is forming this ascending triangle to the upside. Could this pattern break above this level today or the coming weeks? Stay tuned to find out on how I'm going to trade this pattern and how profitable is the pattern. So before we start the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. Let's roll the cameras. So I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Litecoin. Before I start the video, I'm gonna say this again. Please make sure that you like and subscribe down below so the channel can grow, so I can release more content regularly. So Litecoin is in this ascending triangle, because as you can see, Litecoin has been bouncing between support and resistance, between these two trend lines. This trend line is more of a horizontal trend line because price has been rejected at around the $112 level. Price has been seeing price rejections at those levels for more than once, because as you know that when price patterns usually choose a side to break up or break down on, it usually becomes a side where we see a lot of retests of the support or the resistance. As you can see here, the resistance is being tested a lot and could be a very possible scenario where Litecoin could possibly break above the resistance. If we break above the resistance, that will confirm the ascending triangle that we've been forming since January the 22nd. And our price target for this pattern will be around $130. Last time I posted a video, Litecoin was in a falling wedge. The falling wedge broke up, and I said that if the falling wedge does break into the triangle, into the falling wedge pattern again, we will likely see a sell-off for Litecoin, and Litecoin did sell off. Litecoin did form this head and shoulders that you can see previously. I wanted to release a video last week about this possible scenario where Litecoin could fall, but I wasn't around, so I couldn't make a video. So that was it. That was the trade that you could have taken last week or the previous 2 weeks ago. So now a possible long opportunity for Litecoin is on the cards now, and this could be the trade that you could take and possibly close your trade at $130. And this trade is a 1:4 risk to reward trade. That's a good risk to reward trade for any trader that's starting out. But there's also another possibility that could play out. Litecoin could be forming this symmetrical triangle. As you can see, this could be the symmetrical triangle, and it looks like Litecoin has broken out of the symmetrical triangle. And a price target for a symmetrical target, we take the highest high of the triangle and the lowest low of the triangle. And as you can see, it will give us a price target of around $138 per Litecoin, almost similar to the one that we made previously of the ascending triangle that will play out. As you can see, it looks like Litecoin has broken above resistance, and Litecoin is headed up to $138 per Litecoin, and this could be a trade that you can take possibly. It's a 1:6 risk to reward trade if you are trading the symmetrical triangle. I don't see this as a symmetrical triangle because these wicks are too long and invalidates my price structure theory. So that's why I prefer taking this as a ascending triangle more than a symmetrical triangle. But if you trade this as a symmetrical triangle, your price target is around $138 per Litecoin. So I didn't only make this video to talk about the price structure of Litecoin and a possible trade. I'll be talking about how Litecoin has seen one of its most biggest upgrades of the year, or let me say one of the biggest upgrades for Litecoin for the past few years. So as you can see here, Litecoin is trending on Twitter. And that's at the anticipation of these big news that were released, I think 24 hours ago about Litecoin. So I'll talk about that shortly. As you can see, this is my Twitter. Please make sure that you go to Twitter and follow me at Digital Digits SA. You heard it, Digital Digits SA is my official Twitter profile where I also send content like this. As you can see, I just sent a tweet of this possible ascending triangle and the price target where we will reach this ascending triangle. So now let me go to the Twitter trends and see if Litecoin is popping up, and I have this big news announcement for Litecoin. As you can see, this is from the Litecoin Foundation tweet, and it says breaking after years of development, Litecoin's Mweb, which is Wimble extension block upgrade, will be included as part of the Litecoin core release candidates, which will also include a security and privacy enhancing Taproot upgrade. So Litecoin is moving to a Wimble extension block where it will be more secure and more private. So Litecoin is advancing as digital money. Litecoin is sort of like a secondary to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency. Litecoin is the second most popular cryptocurrency in terms of its worth as digital money. Litecoin has a higher advantage of becoming a proper store of digital money because it can be moved around easily, fastly, cheaply, at a high efficient cost. Now it has a security layer and privacy layer where sending your Litecoin could be anonymous to any wallet. So this will be one of the biggest fundamental changes for Litecoin within the up and coming years. So this is what I have for Litecoin today. So this is the end of the video, and always stay digital.